All right, in this example, I'm going to connect an iPhone to a Newline Cast session. And again, display note is oftentimes the best way to do it, even though with iOS devices such as an iPhone or an iPad, I also have the option of using AirPlay. But the reason I would want to use display note is because when I'm doing it that way, I can actually use the internet to actually get me to cast to the panel, as opposed to being on the same network, which is the way that I would have to do it if I was using AirPlay. So since that's going to be an easier way to make that happen, I'm going to fire up display note on the iPhone, and I'm going to go ahead and enter session ID and then a name into the appropriate box. So I'm going to do that now, starting with the session ID. And then again, I'll just put my name. And I'll connect. And then as you can see, I show up right here on the menu, and I touch and invite. And when I do that, and now that I've invited the device, as you can see, it actually allows me to share images and content from my iPhone.